Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, we're getting right into it. We're going to talk about, in my opinion, the easiest way to promote your new product, right, online. No matter what it is, if it's a digital product, if it's an actual physical product, whatever it is, what is the easiest way to get eyeballs in front of your new product? You ready for the answer is? It's paying influencers, right? Boom, that's it, right? Yes, you do have to have somewhat of a little budget to do this, but it is the easiest and the fastest way to get people to see your product. It's just how it is, right? And there's so many different, social media platforms out there, so many different influencers that you can actually approach and see if you can work out some sort of deal where they can promote your new product. Now, obviously, you want to find influencers with a nice size following. So actually, the bigger their following, the more eyeballs you're going to get on your, on your product. So here's the deal. More and more influencers every day, they're starting to realize their value, right? Their worth, right? So it's your job to kind of go out there and figure out, obviously you want to match up your product with, different influencers and make sure the influencers, the content that they create goes hand in hand with whatever your product or your service is, right? So you want to do your research, figure out where's your potential customers, where are they at? Are they on YouTube? Are they on TikTok? Are they on Facebook, right? Or they might be on multiple platforms, right? Once you figure that out, you want to reach out to the content creators with the biggest followings, right? Obviously. And even maybe you could even find some creators that you feel have potential to be big. Maybe you can kind of see something in them now that you're like, man, this time next year, man, they're gonna be crazy. Or in the next few months, man, I think they're gonna be big. Because if you can find somebody without a huge following, most likely you're gonna be able to, afford their services. They're not gonna charge you as much as if they had 1 million followers versus if they got 10,000 followers. You could work out something with them to be like, hey, I'll give you $100, to talk about this new product in, this month or whatever, right? You work out the agreement versus, somebody with 1 million followers. They were like, yeah, I'll promote it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm gonna promote it. It's gonna cost you $5,000. You know what I'm saying? Per post, right? So that's something that you got to work out. You can find, but once you do the research and figure out, your market, where your potential customers are at, you find these influencers, and then you could just negotiate, work something out with them, and people will see your product pretty much no matter what it is. All right. So that is an easy way to promote your new product online. If you like that, comment below. Let me know what you think about that simple but effective idea. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.